Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing this front glass piece of this Veglia Borletti clock, which came in my 1981 Fiat Spider. This is the same process for the 1972 to 1982 Fiat. And without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to be using a small flathead screwdriver to go around the aluminum bezel and pry the rim over so we can pop the front glass assembly out. Work the frame around like so, and we should be able to pull it out. So 3 nuts we got to take out. This one, this one, and 1 nut here. Large pliers. I'm going to take the frame out and paint it to match the rest of the gauges. It's a 5mm socket. Okay, it needs to get pushed. I don't know if I can show in camera, but I'm gonna try to attempt to do this. So the reason behind using 2 pliers is the first one acts as a hinge for the second one to pull the shaft out of that black clock wheel. So in order to stop damaging the faceplate, I'm trying to use the first plier as a support for the second plier to pull it. There we go. Be careful, there's a spring where the wheel is right there. Okay, it's a spring. That's the wheel. Then this whole assembly comes out. You can pop the pin out. Okay. That's that. Now we can clean this up. If we need to paint this internal, I'm not going to. I'm just going to clean it up. It's not like these plastics aren't bad. And then that's the piece of fogged up glass. Gonna clean this up, prime it, paint it, get back to assembling this tomorrow. I would probably put a piece of cloth. If you guys are doing it, I would say just put a piece of cloth before putting the pliers, because it does make it made a tiny little mark right there. Okay, so cleaned up all the pieces. I'm just removing the protective cover from definitely use some glass cleaner to clean this thing up, because it's got a little bit of glue residue and stuff right there. Probably clean it up with a microfiber before we assemble everything. Then I'm gonna polish this. So this whole thing has to come through the glass, through the assembly, like so. And then this thing goes... Okay, so this ring piece needs to go upside down. There are little notches for the 2 bolts. And then in between here is where the wheel's gonna go. Thinking I'm gonna take these 2 bolts out. Just has to make sure nothing screws up. This rod should go through here. And then this wheel goes in like that. Like that. And then the spring goes in after, and then the whole assembly has to go like that. There we go. Just push it in until it gets tighter. And that's... So the wheel's all good. Glass is good. Everything's in place. Now we just have to tighten the dial. So grab your microfiber cloth. Just take out all the dust and debris one last time. Sits like that. Glass goes like now I just have to go around, put this lip back on. Here I'm using the flathead screwdriver with a piece of cloth to push the bezel rim back into place. Okay. There we go. It's all the way tucked in. It's not pretty at the end. I mean, in the back. It's not very pretty, but all you're going to be seeing is in the front glass. So there we go. These are the two glasses. See you in the next one.